Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have 10 wands. Taurus people, this is your current energy. And oops. And these are your partner's current energy. King of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay. So Taurus people, with this card 10 of Wands, I feel that most of you people are feeling exhausted right now. Most of you people are feeling a lot of burden on your shoulders. You are feeling depressed. You are feeling overloaded with your responsibilities. You are feeling sick and tired. Sometimes you feel that is it all about my fate? Is it all about I'm going to get in my life? When will I get peace, or when will I get freedom from all my burdens? There are certain burdens which is because of your past karmas, or your past lives, and there are certain burdens which are unrequired. You need to free yourself from the unwanted burdens, unwanted responsibilities. You cannot be a savior for all the people. Okay, it's better to save yourself first. I would just say one thing, that don't torture yourself. You are torturing yourself mentally. I mean, you are feeling overburdened. You feel overwhelmed sometimes. You feel uh, clueless in life where you should go, or what else fate has planned for you, or what else divine has planned for you. Okay, but I think that you should not take such unrequired or unnecessary burdens on your heart, on your mind, on your shoulders. So free yourself from these burdens. These are not required, right? So this is your current energy, Taurus people. And on the other hand, these are your partner's current energy. We have King of Swords and the Hierophant. Your person is acting like a king. Your person is showing the entire world that, hey, I'm the boss. Everything, roams around, or everything happens just because of me. I am the reason for all the things. I am the reason why, or I mean, I am the only one who can, manipulate people. I am the only one who can uh, do whatever I can do, or whatever I want to do. Plus, with this card, King of Swords card, I feel that this person is very immature, because as you can see, there is a lot of blood here, right? So I feel that this person is taking advantage of being privileged in life, right? And they feel that they have all the authority to cut people out from their life. They feel that they have all the authority to cut emotions from their life. Okay, they do not hesitate to cut connections with people. And these bloodstains says the same thing, that they are the one who always think about themselves first, right? And because they feel that they are the king, and they feel that they are on the top, or they feel that they are on that position from which nobody can say anything to them. they just misuse this power, right? They just misuse their prestige uh, or the authority, right? So they don't afraid to cut people out from their life. They are somebody who is very egoistic, who is very stubborn, who is very selfish, right? And on top of that, they have this sword in their hand. That means they can, cut people out from their life. They don't even think, they don't even think before cutting out any connection with anyone. On the other hand, with this Hierophant card, I also feel about them that they are somebody who takes guidance from someone, right? Someone is manipulating them, someone is telling them to do such things. They are being a very naive person, okay? They had no brain. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know how they are treating to people. They don't know what impact they are placing on people's mind. So something is there in life, someone is there in their life who is guiding them, who is teaching them all the wrong things, who is manipulating them. And they are like so obsessed with that person, or they are like so uh, they are somebody who does not want to, or who has no courage to confront, or to cross question this person. This person is like so manipulative. And the sad part is that your person doesn't understand this thing, and they don't want to understand this thing, right? So these are your partner's current energy, Taurus people. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Okay. Two of Pentacles. Okay, okay. Two of Pentacles. So you see them, Taurus, as somebody who is a juggler in their life. Okay, perhaps, as I told you, that they are somebody who is immature. So you see them as somebody who is very who is not organized, okay, who has nothing to do in life. But yes, they are somebody who always shouts and cry for for the world's attention, okay. They show themselves as, oh my god, they are the busiest person in the world, but they are not. They just pretend to be busy, but they are not, right? So you see them as somebody who has nothing, but they just pretend that they are the busiest person. And plus, you also feel about them that they are somebody who who does not know how to bring balance into their life, who doesn't know how to maintain balance in their heart and mind. Okay, you also see them as somebody who is very immature. Okay, anyone can manipulate them, anyone can play around with them. So you feel, or you see them as somebody who is foolish, right? On the other hand, your person sees you with this Devil card and Two of Cups. They see you as somebody who is like so obsessed about something in life. You have a lot of obsession, okay? It could be a sexual obsession too. And with this Two of Cups card, they see you as somebody who is a big time flirt, right? So they see you as somebody I mean, they see you as a person who is a very who is a big time flirt, right? And on top of that, with this Devil card, they also see you as somebody who is like obsessed with sexual energy, okay, who is very much obsessed with other person, or other gender person, okay, who is obsessed of something in life, okay. And with this Two of Cups card, I feel that it is more towards sexual attraction or sexual obsession. So that's how your person sees you, Taurus. Now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. So we have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, one card popped out and fallen on floor. Give me a second. Okay, sorry. So that was the card which fall down on floor. Okay. So we have Queen of Pentacles. Taurus, you feel about them as they are someone who is very blessed in life, okay, who has everything in life, right? And I told you in the beginning of the card of this reading, your person is very privileged, okay? So you see that, or you feel them as somebody that they are someone who has lot of things in their life, lot of prosperity in their life, lot of abundance in their life. Plus you also feel about them that they are the one who can, you know, who can be a good person, who can be, because your person is being manipulated by somebody else. So you see them there, I mean, you are seeing some good qualities also within them, but the sad part is that you feel about them, or you think about them, is that you feel that this person has everything in life, okay, but this person doesn't have anyone to share their experiences, doesn't have anyone to share their good and bad times, right? They have all the money, they have all the abundance of the world, they have all the prosperity in their life, but yes, when it comes to sharing the heart, they have no one. Okay, so you feel them as somebody who is completely alone, right? Now let's see how your person feels about you. So we have Four of Pentacles. Taurus, Taurus people, your person feels about you with this card that you are somebody who is, you are someone who is like so responsible in life, okay? You do not want to let go your people out from your life, okay? You don't want to relationship move out from your life. You want everyone to be with you. You want to keep everyone in your life, okay? No matter how bad they treat you, no matter how hard it is for you to be with them, but yes, at certain point of time, they feel that you are someone who is the person of principle, who is a person of morals, okay? So yes, and yeah, so they feel about you that this person has so many responsibility on on them. Apart from that, they are somebody who does not let go of, who does not want to leave anyone, or they don't want anyone to leave them, right? So you are like so obsessed about your people, your family, your friends, your loved ones. That's how they think about you, that's how they feel about you, Taurus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Story has changed completely. Taurus people, you feel in this relationship uh, as the lovers. My goodness. Okay. So with this card, at certain point of time, Taurus people, you feel that uh, no matter what, how hard you try to hide your emotions for this person, you are obsessed with them. You are obsessed with them, right? You are obsessed with them, and perhaps you want to offer something to them. With this Lovers card, you feel that they also feel the same about you. They also feel the same attraction towards you. They also feel the same emotions for you, okay? So you feel loved in this relationship. You feel loved in their presence, and that's good. That's good, right? On the other hand, your person feels in this relationship that okay, whatever I have done in past, okay, or whatever I am doing right now, I cannot let this person go out from my life. And that person is you, Taurus. This person, your person, Taurus people, your person really wants to start something new with you, really want to be with you, really want to start a new chapter with you in this relationship. Okay, if they haven't confronted their emotions so far, they are definitely going to confront their emotions in front of you. And they are being very, very strong minded right now. I told you they are stubborn in the beginning of this reading. So with the strength card, they are also going to be very much strong. Okay, perhaps you are not going to accept them in a one go. Okay, so they'll keep poking you, they'll keep chasing you. So they are just like, they are so focused towards you, they are so inclined towards you, they are feeling so attracted towards you that don't want you to let go, right? And they genuinely wants to start something new with you. Now let's see, Taurus people, what is the future potential for you. Future potential for Taurus people, please. Five of Pentacles. Taurus people, I feel that in future as well, um, you are going to be in the same energy of Ten of Wands, right? With this Five of Pentacles card, you are definitely going to feel in that manner that I have given a lot of things to a lot of people. I gave all my time, money, energy, efforts, love, emotions to everyone. But when it comes to me, nobody is there for me. Nobody is there to ask me whether I'm going through, how am I doing in life. Okay, so at certain point of time in life, Taurus people, you are going to be in a depression. You are definitely going to think in that manner that I had done a lot of things for a lot of people. Now what people are doing with me. Okay, so people are, it doesn't matter, how good you are with other people. People always change, their perception towards you always change. Okay, so you are definitely going to feel left out by certain people, right? Now let's take some angel guidance for you, Taurus people. Let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Angel guidance for Taurus people, please. No. And why this no? There's something better. No need to worry. Perhaps Taurus people, I feel with these angel cards, angels are trying to tell you is that you need not to worry at all, okay? And whatever you are going through right now, something good and best is there for you, right? And with this no card, I feel that angels are telling you is that whatever you are thinking, or that this thing will happen with me in the future. Okay, Five of Pentacles, with this Five of Pentacles, perhaps you are going to think in that manner that, okay, I have given so many things, or I have invested uh, in people, and what if I won't be able to get certain things in life, or the same amount of emotion from those people back. So what will I do? So on that manner, I would say that angels are saying to you that you should not think in that way, right? Don't think in that way. Plus, with these two cards, there's something better, or no need to worry. Perhaps angels are asking you to look for or search for some new perspective in life, or try to find out new goals in life, right? And whatever you are going to choose, that thing is definitely going to give you a lot of peace, lot of happiness, lot of abundance, right? And angels are with you and you need not to worry at all, correct? Right. So okay, so Taurus people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this lovers card. Some of you could be dealing with Leo with this strength card, right? We have Capricorn in this reading with this devil card. We have Taurus, another Taurus in the reading from this Hierophant card, right? Some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Swords. And yes, and we have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Two of Cups. And some of you could be dealing with air sign, sorry, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands card, right? So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.